waiting doesn't mean doing nothing. It doesn't mean sitting around drinking tea and eating cherry bonbons. If you're like me, you may sometimes get very frustrated at having to wait. I'm not what you call a patient person. I don't even like to wait on the microwave for the 30 seconds it takes to warm up my coffee that I didn't drink before it got cold. And waiting in traffic and waiting in lines, those things. But then there's the waiting on the big things, those dreams that you've had. I have some dreams I dreamed about literally decades ago, and they still haven't happened. And sometimes I get frustrated. But then I'm reminded in Psalm 27:14, it says, "Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thine heart. Wait on the Lord." So everyone's frustrated, I think, about having to wait. But as a follower of Jesus, I don't have to be frustrated because I know that my ways are not his ways, and that whatever he has in mind is the way it's best for me. So I need to wait on him, because he's given me favor. He promises that many times in the scripture. But here's the thing. Waiting doesn't mean doing nothing. It doesn't mean sitting around drinking tea and eating cherry bonbons. It just means doing the best thing you know to do right now. Often we get frustrated because we are working on a big project and there are so many things we need to do. And if you're like me, I get distracted and I start one and then I move to another. But one of the things that keeps me more balanced than anything else is asking a question that we ask our clients all the time. What is the next action you need to take? So while we are waiting, we're not just waiting doing nothing, but we're doing whatever God puts on our heart as the next action. And we can rest in him that he's already working on where things are going to go in our lives, and it will be just perfect.